welcome back. Let's talk books. So I've started a series that's called Recently Read on TikTok, and I decided to bring it over to YouTube so I can give you a more in-depth book review. It may contain some spoilers, so if you don't like spoilers, go ahead and skedaddle on up out of here. And for context, I mainly read urban fiction, urban romance, black romance, and urban black erotica. So typically that's where the genre of books will fall. If you have a taste for other varieties of books, I'm sorry. This is my playground. This is where I like to play. 5-star rating. 5-star rating. Demon's Dream is the type of book that you do not put down. Seriously. You want to get through with it as soon as possible. This is my first time reading a book by Elle Kayson. Absolutely loved it, so I would definitely read another book by her. Spice level is at a 4. Pretty spicy. They're always hunching. I need more of Smoke Salinas. Do you hear me? I need more of him. He deserves his own spinoff. So Miss Elle, if you happen to get wind of this, I just want you to know that I need a spinoff. With just Smoke, I need to figure out what him and Diana is gonna do, because that was my favorite character personally. The way he told her to come here and she came, yeah, I'm still stuck on that part. Y'all overhyped this book, okay? 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. The reason that this book gets a 2 out of 5 for me is because it was very slow. It's nothing wrong with a slow burn, but in this case, it was given incense. You know, like it wasn't even on fire anymore. The ashes was just falling. You know, it was becoming very redundant. And this book has the nerve and the audacity to be a part of a series. No, I'm not reading anything else by this author. Absolutely not. Because if all of your books are like that, I'm just not going to waste my time. I'm not interested. There's, I believe, 2 more books with this series. I'm not doing it. I refuse. Spice level is like a 3.5 out of 5. Like when it did get on fire, when it did start a rolling boil, scenes were pretty nice. It just took so long to get there, and it's like, y'all could have been did the hanky panky. Just know, I mean, if you're one of those people that are like me, you're just used to it kind of going ahead and getting to the point and not dragging out and being repetitive, then you're not gonna like it. If you're one of those people that has to know every detail to get to the point where the book gets exciting, then you'll like this book. Okay. Rhythms Blues was a cute read. I would give it a 3 out of 5. Reason being is because it's not enough action for me. It's not enough action for my liking. I feel like it's just a cute romance story. It's not bad, but it's not all of that either. I would read another book by Kimberly Brown. Definitely would. Spice level in this book is looking like a 3 out of 5. It's okay. You know, it's okay. Just grown folks doing grown folks things. Cute read, quick read. And it's something to give you a break from the thug passion and all of that if you're into the same kind of books I am. Meet Me in the Woods is a BBW thriller. I rate this book a 4 out of 5. Definitely kept my attention. Definitely was a page turner. I would definitely read another book by Wynta Tyme. I like the writing style, so I would definitely put another book of her in my library. Spice level is about a 3 out of 5. Very moderate. but the storyline itself is what keeps you the most engaged. I love the fact that everyone gets their happy ending. Justice is served. We get the cute romantic love story, and it's a wild ride to get there. For Evermind, I do rate it a 4 out of 5. It's a quick read and it's very cute. Love that book. So I love her books, love her writing style. Like I said, I like quick reads to help me through my week. This book definitely gives a happy ending, so that's a plus. Spice level is a 3 out of 5. Grown folks doing grown folks things, you know. Overall thoughts on the book. I like the fact that we have a black king going after what he wants. And he's making it known. Being very intentional. And we love that. Absolutely. So if you like a cute romance with a slightly unhinged male main character, go ahead and pick it up. The titles discussed in this video are available in Kindle Unlimited. Some do have a matching Audible book to go with for your listening pleasure. And yeah, if you guys enjoy the recently read series where I bring you 5 books that I've recently read, just let me know, so that way I can continue to bring you guys this content. And if you do have any recommendations, I'm open to that as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.